endless pursuit of precision. TOPXGUN FP600. Understand your thoughts and needs better. More stable drone body, easier to maintain. Optimized operational efficiency. High-strength aluminum frame. Space-saving foldable design. Maximum payload of 60 kilograms. 50-liter spraying tank. 76 liters spreading tank. Dual battery system. Go from strength to strength. 2 external 20,000 mAh batteries. Better ventilation and heat dissipation. Extended flight time. 9,000 watt high power wind cooled charger for fast charging in continuous operation. 7-inch high definition smart remote controller. Brand new UI interface. Improve interaction. Smoother operation. For spreading mode, 2 types of spreader optional. SP4 air blowing spreader. 6-channel air jet spreading. No harm to seeds and drone body. Powdered materials supported. Suitable for high precision and low dosage scenarios. SP5 centrifugal spreader. Dual roller material discharging. Efficient and precise. Maximum spreading width of 8 meters. Feeding speed of 200 kilograms per minute. Spraying mode, equipped with 4 centrifugal nozzles. Innovative wind pressure centrifugal nozzle combines advantages of pressure and centrifugal nozzle. Fine and uniform atomization, 50 to 500 micrometer adjustable droplet range. Large flow rate up to 20 liters per minute. New dual channel high flow metering pump, precise control of complex liquids, better spraying effectiveness. New orchard mode, for easier operation in hilly terrain. Aerial 3D mapping for complex terrain. One-time mapping for long-term use. Real-time radar modeling for gently sloping terrain. Quick operation without aerial surveys. When spraying the fruit tree, liquid adheres evenly to both sides of the leaves, improving orchard operation effectiveness and efficiency. For complex and variable operational environments, the FPV and obstacle avoidance radar of FP600 have been upgraded with self-stabilizing devices. The new FPV ensures a smoother view, while the obstacle avoidance radar provides more stable tracking of targets. Newly upgraded terrain following radar, fine detection, self-identification of slope changes. Night mode supported, achieving full-time operation. TOPXGUN FP600 has passed a series of rigorous inspections and countless tests just for providing users with high-quality and reliable products. Efficient, reliable, new user experience. TOPXGUN FP600 agricultural drone, making farming effortless.